Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to link Telegram to WhatsApp. So before I'm going to show you how you can do that, take note that there's no official way to directly link Telegram to WhatsApp since they're two different apps owned by different companies and they don't allow cross messaging. But there's a way and how we can still import our messages to Telegram. So what we're going to do is export the WhatsApp chats to Telegram. So just open your WhatsApp application and then select the conversation that you want to import. After that, click on the profile or the name at the top. Okay, and then right here, just scroll down. Okay, and right here, just scroll down and click on the export chat. And here you can attach the media or without media. So I'm just going to select attach media for this one. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and right here, just have to select your contact. Okay, so just click on import and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So please keep this window open until the import is completed. Okay, so you just have to click on done. So now let's open our Telegram. Okay, and then click on the conversation. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully imported our conversation on Telegram. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.